Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this gorgeous Ford Focus ST Line X. It's currently done 18,103 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour Desert Island Blue, and when you purchase this vehicle you will receive a 30-day or a 1,000-mile warranty, whichever comes first. You do have additional warranty packages available to you as well. Let's take a look around the vehicle. Starting at the front, you've got stylish LED daytime running lights. They complement the vehicle well and make the lights really stand out. The colour is extremely eye-catching. It adds to the sporty feel of the vehicle. Let's take a look at the side, and the vehicle sits very nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You do have some matte black finish on them as well. On the side you have your ST Line badge. You do have your indicator on the mirrors. Let's take a look inside at the rear. Got this gorgeous part leather interior with a nice textured cloth in the centre. You have red stitching as well, which adds to the sporty feel. And the right ISOFIX points, which is great if you do have child seats that need to be fitted. You can be sure they're safely secured into the vehicle, and it's easy to do. You've got rear privacy glass to give you privacy at the rear, and it adds to the sporty style of the vehicle as well. Keeps any belongings you may have in the rear private. You've got plenty of boot space when you open the boot. You do have tethering points, so if you need to tie anything down to prevent it rolling around, you can do. You do also have a spare wheel underneath the boot floor, which is great if you end up with a puncture. You can quickly change the wheel and complete your journey. The vehicle looks absolutely gorgeous. It's a real hot hatch. Let's take a look inside. At the front, you've got your leather flat bottom steering wheel that's multifunction. You've got a nice carbon effect finish on the dash. You've got your gorgeous front seats with the red stitching continuing. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat as well, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable driving this vehicle. And now that we've had a look around the vehicle, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that it does have to offer. So hopping in, and on the driver's door you have your electric mirror adjustments that include folding. This is great if you're parking in tighter spaces. You can quickly fold them in so you don't knock them. You can also fold them in if you park on narrow streets to prevent them getting knocked off, and it keeps them well protected into the vehicle. On the dashboard you'll find your automatic headlights, which is great as you don't have to worry about turning them on. They'll come on when necessary through the sensor. It means you can concentrate on driving and you don't have to lean down to turn the lights on. The vehicle has cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you don't have to keep your foot held on the accelerator when driving. It just makes arriving to your destination a bit more comfortable. You do have driver assist features that include your pre-collision assist. This can alert you of any potential hazards ahead. You do have active braking as well that can stop the vehicle or slow it down to prevent you colliding. You do have lane keeping assist as well, which prevents you from drifting out of your lanes. You can get it to alert you or aid you by pulling the vehicle back into the lane to prevent you colliding with any other vehicles. In the centre here you have your touchscreen infotainment system. You do have DAB, FM and AM radio. Allows you to easily find and tune your favourite stations to the vehicle, and you have a list of stations so you can easily access any station you wish to. It means you don't have to faff around tuning, you simply scroll through the list to find it. You do have Bluetooth audio as well, and with this you can make your hands-free phone calls. You can add your device and save contacts to the vehicle as well, so you always have them available. You do have navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost, and you can easily take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. And you do have app connectivity as well as Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so you can easily connect your device to the vehicle and safely make hands-free phone calls and texts, as well as use compatible apps. And when you select reverse, your front and rear parking sensors are displayed on the infotainment screen, which is great. It gives you added confidence when parking and ensures you're aware of your surroundings. You have dual zone climate control, which prevents any arguments on the perfect temperature. You can pick your own temperature for either side of the vehicle. You do have heated front seats as well to keep you nice and warm in winter, and there are heated front and rear windscreens so you can quickly defrost and get on the go in winter. You have different drive modes, which changes how the vehicle performs and handles, and you can enhance your driving experience by changing these. Now, if you are interested in this vehicle and would like more information on it, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358.